guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a great day today. If you're new here, hi, I'm Talia and I'm interested in showing you how to get high-end good quality makeup looks using only affordable and drugstore products. If that sounds like something that you'd be interested in, then I would love it if you would subscribe and leave a like down below if you enjoyed this video. So today I have had a little play around again with the Friends Revolution Open the Door palette. I used it on my last video and I did a full review on it. If you want to see that, then I'll put it up on screen now. But I said at the end of the last video that I really wanted to have another play around with it and work some of the pink colours because I really wanted to try those out, but I wasn't really in the mood for it last week. But today I've done it and I'm so happy with how it turned out. I think it looks really nice. I think the colours are absolutely beautiful. But yeah, if you like this look and want to see how I got it, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is prime our eyes. I'm using a new one today. It is the Essence You Better Work Eye Primer. And the first shade that we're going to go in with is this one down here, and it is called The List. I'm just going to take that right up to the brow bone and smoke it out. That colour is beautiful. I'm really happy with this palette. I know that I was proper hyping it up in the last video, but I'm just so impressed. Now I'm going to take the shade up here, and it is called Java, and I'm just going to apply that at the crease below where we put The List. Now I'm going to grab some of this light dark pink purple shade down here called Frank Junior Junior, and I'm going to put that on the outer part of my eye and just a little bit on the crease. Okay, so I just quickly cut my crease off camera, and now I'm going to go in with this shade over here, and it is called I'm Fine. Okay, now I'm just going to take more of that Frank Junior Junior shade. I'm just going to darken up the outer V, and I'm also going to take some on a small brush and just put it over that cut crease. Okay, so I want to add a little something extra to this look, so I'm going to take this shade over here, and it is called I Take Thee Rachel, and I'm just going to place that right where I've cut the crease here between the purple shade and the light pink shade. And then just to accentuate that glitter a little bit more, I'm going to take this shade over here called Big White Dog, and I'm just going to run that right in the centre of where I just put that pink glitter. And then I want to add a bit of a wing liner to this look, so I'm taking the Revolution Renaissance eyeliner pen. And then I'm just going to add some mascara. Today I'm using Essence Lash Princess. Okay guys, now I'm just going to prime my face. I'm using the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. And for foundation today, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 105. For concealer today, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer in the shade Porcelain. Then I'm just going to use the Essence All About Matte setting powder to set all of those areas where we put the concealer. And I'm going to set the rest of my face using the Rimmel Stay Matte Translucent Powder. And for bronzer today, I'm going to take this palette. It is the Revolution Pro 4K Bronzer Palette in Cool. And it's got 4 cool tone shades in there, which is really good for me because I have a very cool skin tone. So if you're looking for a bronzer that's not going to be too warm on your skin, then this is a really good one. And I'm just going to take this shade over here to bronze with today. And to contour today, of course, I'm going in with my favourite contouring powder, which is the NYX blush in the shade Taupe. Now going back in with our Friends palette now, I'm going to do the lower lash line. So the first shade that I'm going to use is this one up here, Java. And I'm just going to put that just under my lower lash line. I'm just going to stop about halfway. And then I'm going to take shade again, the I'm Fine shade that we used on our lid. And I'm just going to put that next to where I just put Java. And then I'm going to take a little bit of I Take Thee Rachel, that pink shimmer shade that we put on our lid. And I'm just going to put that directly where I put it on the top, on the bottom, just in between those two colours. Next, I'm going to take this shade over here, this silver shade called Big White Dog, and I'm going to put that on the inner corners. That is such a pretty colour. I'm going to add some blush. Today I'm using Essence The Blush in the shade Blooming. And for highlight today, I'm trying out a new one. This is the I Heart Revolution Tasty Peach Highlighter. And it's just so adorable, look at that. Then I'm just going to take more loose powder and I'm just going to put it under where I put the contour, the bronzer and the blush, just to clean it up and make it look really sharp. Forgot to do the waterline. I'm going to go back in with one of these pencils from the Makeup Obsession Kaleidoscopic Dreams collection by Tiffany Illuminati. I'm going to take the pink one, it's called Flamingo, and I'm just going to put that on my waterline. Now I'm first going to line my lips with the PS Lip Liner Pencil in the shade Candy Pink. Then I'm going to go in with the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in the shade Silk Indulgent. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please leave a big thumbs up down below if you did. And I apologise that it's the second week in a row of using this palette. I don't know whether you guys will prefer it if I did like multiple looks of the same palette, or if you like it when I use a different palette every week, but just let me know which one you prefer because I'm happy to do either. Yeah, I really love how this look turned out. I think that these pink shades in this palette are absolutely beautiful. They're really vibrant and colourful, which can be quite difficult to achieve with pink colours, so I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a single upload. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope that you have a great day today. Stay safe and I will see you in the next one. Bye!